Hi, this is Watch Hobby. I just got myself another watch. This is the Seiko Prospex field watch SRPD33K1. Now, this particular watch, I like it because the way the design of the crown. Now, this has an internal bezel, but the crown that controls the internal bezel has that very Panerai-like look to it. So I got this watch. It's not that expensive. It used the 4R36 movement. So I think you should be able to find it in the shops all over the world right now. Price wise in Kuala Lumpur, it's about suggested retail price is about 1,775. Now I've not done the review as yet, so do go to my blog. The link is in the description below, and do look at it. I will should be able to post it up by the next week or the week after next. Anyway, this is the watch, very green. This is the crown design that I was talking about. Really cool. The main crown itself is actually hidden. It has a nice flush fit to it, to the casing. A bit of a UFO-like. There's some dome in terms of the hard lex crystal, and yeah, it looks really cool. And I think this is, I think, one of the best, as you can say, modern interpretation of Seiko's classic alpinist, the SARB 017. Anyway, that's all for this short unboxing. Do enjoy some of the photos that's coming out. I will do a full review going forward. So guys, please follow the channel, give it a like. Thank you so much.